Hi, welcome to JSJOSHUA YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today we will be sharing with you about marketing funnels. One of the fundamental rules of marketing which every marketer must always be alert of is that a confused mind will always says no. Sadly to say, most websites are designed in such a way that it confuses the potential buyers and leads that opt in to their websites. These websites have so many buttons and templates, so many calls to action, plus so many menus leading to tens and even hundreds of different pages that the only thing the website really does well is to confuse potential customers who opt in to their websites. A funnel, on the other hand, is created with extremely simple steps, and every single page and every single step in the page has only one CTA, call to action, with well-crafted strategy to draw potential customers from first opt-in page to OTO, one-time offer, to upsell and downsell throughout the entire funnel journey with high-value products and services offered to the potential customers. This is likened to a salesperson who works for you to lead the potential customers from one page to another, or one department to another, to close sales with the best values and offers that potential customers feel comfortable to purchase and keep coming back for more. This happened when the salesperson, after recommended the specific products customers are looking for, they then can upsell them on the other products or services that perfectly complement the original purchase of the customers, and will help serve the customers at a higher level. Thus, providing the customers a great user experience cause they are not confused, and are able to find the exact specific products they are looking for with high values and great offers that benefited the customers. What's more, this so-called salesperson is working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 30 days a month and 365 days a year non-stop even when you sleep. Meaning, you as the owner actually make money even while you sleep. There's no need of replying PM after PM after PM till you get very tired and neck pain. How do I know? Well, I sold off tens of thousands of my musical instruments by non-stop replying PM after PM after PM until my neck pain for many days and totally tight down by doing one thing day and night sitting on my chair PM after PM after PM non-stop. Follow my Facebook and YouTube page in the coming weeks. I will share with you funnels builder tips that will help turn your business around, earning passive profits while having great time to spend with your family and loved ones. Since you are watching JSJOSHUA YouTube channel and reading JSJOSHUA Facebook page, I would love to bless you with free funnel templates that have generated thousands and even millions of revenues and profits where you can simply just download and use it for your own business. Simply click on the link below and you will be able to get your free funnels templates and free web class showing you the $1 million funnel secrets that will multiply your revenue and profits, driving 1.79 million visitors per month into the websites and funnels without needing to hire or rely on designers and web builders. Click the link or learn more button and you are good to go. That's it for this video. We tend to hope you learned a few tips through this JSJOSHUA YouTube channel video. May God bless you with good health, prosperity, wealth and great success all the days of your life. Take care. Do remember to give a thumbs up and subscribe to JSJOSHUA YouTube channel and follow JSJOSHUA Facebook page for future updates. Thanks for watching.